Hi everyone, it's Tara here. In this video today I will be showing you a Game of Thrones inspired braid hairstyle. First thing I will do is prep the hair with this Davines texturizing hairspray. We will apply this all over the hair. This will give the hair texture to help hold curl. Next, using a crocodile clip, we will section the hair in half. I'm curling using a 1-inch Hot Tools curling iron, and we're going to wrap the hair around the barrel, opening the clip like this and wrapping the hair around the unclipped portion of the curling iron. Taking about 1-inch pieces, curl the entire bottom section, and if your hair has a harder time holding curl, you can spray more of the texturizer, and that will help the curl to last longer. To curl the opposite side, I hold my hand over my head because you want to continue to point the curling iron down in order to wrap the hair around the barrel. To curl the sections in the back that are harder to reach, I hold the curling iron horizontally. Once the bottom section is finished, you can take down the top and repeat, continuing to take 1-inch sections until you've curled the entire head of hair. For the braids in front, I'm doing inverted braids, so taking a small piece and sectioning that into 3, we're going to cross the strands underneath each other, which is what will invert the braid and cause it to sit on top of itself. Once you've crossed the strands, right underneath the center and then left underneath the center, begin pulling sections from outside the braid and adding them into the braid. And this is called French braiding. But because you're crossing the strands underneath each other, that's how the braid inverts and it sits on top of the hair. Leaving some strands loose right in front of the ear, continue braiding until just past the ear. And then you will stop adding pieces from the scalp and just continue the braid as a regular braid, crossing the 3 remaining strands all the way down. Use a small, clear elastic hair tie to secure the end of the braid. Now repeat the same exact thing on the opposite side of the head. Now spray more texturizer onto the braid and then stretch the braid by pulling the hair strands away from each other to thicken it up. Now to complete the look, I'm spraying a little bit more of the texturizer through some of the underneath strands and recurling as needed.